Hi, I'm Drew Loker, and today we're going to be reviewing the Landworks from Alphaworks wood chipper, 7 horsepower, purchased off of Amazon, and put it together. This will be the first time I've used we have been using it for a while already. Today, a little bit of experience that we're sharing with you today. Hopefully a review. There weren't a lot of videos for me to watch. I did do a good bit of research, I feel like. This was one of the least expensive ones. I'm pleased with the purchase, and I give it a good rating so far. There were more expensive options going upwards. This is I think it was $435. There were $500, $600, $700 options, of course, and there was the $2,300 options. But from what we've done so far today, it's very realistic to use. For the last 5-6 years, we've been burning stuff, and all of a sudden I realized, I really don't want to keep burning, and I wanted to put this chip to use. So we're going to go ahead and get it started. It's already hot and warmed up. It started easy anyway. It was easy to put together. All right, we'll go ahead and get it started here. Run it up too hot. It's about medium right now. This was pretty wiry. I guess the main thing that keeps things from going through is about a 5-inch opening. So if it bends a lot, it's going to be helpful to go ahead and break it into pieces. However, you don't want just short pieces in there. But I'm still going to cut this loose. Then I'm going to bend this in so it's already kind of flexed a little bit. That way it'll go in a little easier there. After just a few minutes of use, I found this pretty nice stick. It's got a Y right here, and it's helpful to push on the upper parts of the branches. I don't want to lose a hand, so we're going to use a push stick. Also, don't forget your glasses, gloves, a nice hard hat. See, this is still pretty green right here. The pile I'm working is about 4 weeks old. Kind of what the inspiration was for buying the wood chipper. But you don't want to let it get too dried out. The pile we worked earlier today was a little bit dried out, and especially the oak was a little bit on the hard side. Did I mention ear protection? Definitely want those. So the only time it's jammed today, when I didn't pay attention that the chute had backed up a little bit, and it backed up onto the blade wheel. So just take a peek in there and make sure it's flowing. Now earlier my wife was helping, either I or she were prepping the next few sticks. I'm going to go ahead and stick this in just because I'm working by myself, but really it would be helpful to cut this into 3. But because it actually works better that I have something to push with, this should work okay in here. I haven't put much pine in. It does okay. The pine needles just kind of shoot on out. But I don't want to gum it up with sap. But I don't feel like putting this in a separate pile. I do collect my pine in a different pile though. I'm supposed to be able to put a stick like this through there. I can go ahead and give it a try for this review. Personally, I just assume cut it off. But let's see how it does. Tip it down. It handled it right there, but it'll be a lot easier to stick this on through now. So I'm pretty impressed. Hopefully that was enough for you to see that it's working. I don't know how long it's going to last. I think it's pretty good, and I think it's a pretty good value. Now, if it doesn't last, that makes it more difficult of a decision that maybe it's too cheap. There wasn't a lot of reviews, and the toughest thing about buying stuff on Amazon is you'll get something that's got 4.5 stars, and that 1/2 of a star, it's got a few people that are saying piece of junk, terrible stuff, but so it's always a gamble. I went ahead and took a gamble on this and impressed with it, and hope you will be too. I'll go ahead and take the camera off and show you around here. So the chip is good. A few pieces go through, but this is going to be very nice mulch. I haven't decided if I'm going to mulch tallow or not. Now, I have cast aside some stuff over here, some irregular pieces. Some of this will burn anyway nicely. It's a good size to burn. Some of it I probably could have gone ahead and thrown in there, but that's not really my objective, to get rid of everything. But this is the pile earlier, and I kid you not, it was over our head when we first cut it, and it settled down a little bit once the leaves compressed. But we've got a ways to go, but rather than burning it in place, and in years past we would burn it in place and then wouldn't gain the benefit of our polar cart filled with mulch. So I'm actually pretty excited about that and the ability to get some of our own mulch going around here. Some of the composting area. In fact, I made a special area for hardwood mulching. I already had an area for mulching and composting pine and acid type of composting. But the unit itself was easy to put together. One person had put on the review that their guards, their little kickback flaps right there, it didn't last, but it has held up already for a couple hours of use today. The gas can has a filter on it, which was helpful. I like that addition. All right, so that's my review. Enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to update after about 6 months, let you know how things are going.